Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to activate multi-factor authenticator on your Fiverr account. Maybe you want a better and secure account on Fiverr, so you want to activate the multi-factor authenticator but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can activate the multi-factor authenticator on Fiverr. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see these icons below. The home icon, message icon, search button icon, the list icon, and then the profile icon. In this tutorial, you need to tap on this profile icon. And on this page, you'll see these preferences under the settings. Tap on it. And then in here, under preferences, you'll see this notification, security, language, and currency. So to activate your multi-factor authenticator, tap on the security. And you will see here multi-factor authentication. Take note that this is recommended. We will send you an authentication code via SMS, email, or Fiverr notifications when using an unrecognized device or browser to log in. If you want it to turn on, simply toggle this button beside it. And there you go. The multi-factor authentication is activated. If you wanted to know how to secure account and turn on the multi-factor authentication, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn your multi-factor authentication on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.